I know how to whistle using both hands, but I want to learn it using one hand. Why? Because it looks cool, it is easy, and sometimes you have something in your other hand. She is disturbing me and entertaining at the same time. I don't know what to do with her. Anyways, it has 3 steps. Step number 1, you should form an OK symbol. Step number 2, position your lips like this. Step number 3, fold your tongue like this and blow air through the space. I practiced for about 20 minutes but nothing happened.
क्या चीज? बेरो।
After trying for half an hour, suddenly this happened. Trust me guys, I don't know why the dog is running towards me. It's been an hour and everybody is being disturbed because of the noise I am making. I learned new skills every week, so like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. See you next week.